welcome back to another vlog, and today we are checking out a new site in BC.
We drove all the way out past Ladner and we are at the George C. Reifel Migratory Bird Sanctuary.
And there's lots of birds just over here.
So many birds, it's crazy. So it's only $5 per person admission.
For adults and like $3 or less for kids.
And you can buy bird seed from them to feed the birds.
It's like $1 a pack or something.
Yeah, not bad at all. And she says you can just hold it in your hand and it'll come fly to you.
Or like I guess in our last video, we can just go out on to Garibaldi Trail and just hold out some granola bars and birds will come anyways. So.
But this is their natural diet, so it's better.
True.
Yeah.
Let's people watch some birds.
Riley has a bad habit of aggravating animals by chasing them, and here there's specific rules. You cannot chase the birds. Okay, got it? Look, they're coming because they think we have food. They're so cute. Do they eat seeds?
I don't know. Can you pet them? I'm scared. Oh, babies. So close, so close. I don't know if I've ever fed a duck from my hand before. Let's see if I can get this one. Hey, little guy. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. Alright, let's try that again. Okay. Try to be less scared. Oh, oh. Alright, don't miss. Oh, oh. It just feels like a gentle peck with your fingers. I guess they don't really miss, so that's good. Ooh, this one's hungry.
Oh. Here, buddy.
Oh.
I'm done. I'm done. Ouch. Yeah, it pinched real hard.
Yeah, there's a bird feeder over there. I don't know if they're so much attracted to you.
You're right. I got bit by a duck.
Oh, how'd that feel?
It was fine. It just felt like a pinch. So we're just reading some bird facts, and apparently every fall about 20 to 50,000 large geese come from Russia all the way to here to rest from their migration.
Canada's the best.
Not that we need more geese here.
What if a duck lands on my hand?
Oh. Some of them are really picky. They'll come pick around for which one they like and then fly away. Some of them land and don't even pick up anything.
Whoa, are they heavy?
No.
Oh, it's on your arm. They're definitely not afraid. Yeah, they gotta go back. Oh, where do they all go? Oh, here, hold out your hand and then bring them over here.
Chicky.
Dang it, I can't believe I wasn't recording.
Yeah.
Smells so good in here though.
Oh, you can spy on the birds. Maybe you stick your camera through here.
Or your gun. This little hut thing is called a bird blind or bird hide, and I guess you go in there and take pictures of birds.
The snow geese we were talking about earlier, some scientists have found that they can travel from Alaska to here in 36 hours.
And that's like 2,500 kilometers.
That's so crazy. You got it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go for a walk.
Oh, buddy.
Look, little guy, Stevenson's over there. You go to Stevenson often, bud?
Oh yeah, I go there all
Nice.
the time.
What do you do on the weekends?
I like to hang out with my friends.
Oh, nice.
I just like to eat food too.
Sick, bro. Where's your friends?
I tend to hog all the food, so they're not my friends anymore.
I see, I see. All right, well, let me show you the view. Oh, okay, fine. That's cool too.
You ate it all.
You ate it all.
Wiped you clean, bro.
Wow. The first time that they ate off my head, like I accidentally forgot to press record, so I missed it all. But luckily, they found me again.
In the distance, we saw a lonely pheasant, and it's watching us as we come closer. Maybe it'll want some food. It's making a sound. Is that making a sound?
It looks busy eating. I don't know how it could be doing both. Good at multitasking. Maybe it's more of a grass diet than a seed diet.
Then I'll collect my seeds back. Paid good money for these seeds. It doesn't care about me.
That's okay.
Yeah, I threw seeds at it, but it didn't take it. So I collected my seeds back.
Nice feather design. Do it again.
Aww, you're so cute. He's like, no, no, no.
Don't like to be touched.
Oh,
Alright, now we have to reward it by giving it some treats.
you're training it.
Ah, chill, bro. Chill. Chill. Ow. Alright, now I have to pet you. That's the deal. Duck on some steps.
Come on, buddy. You got it.
Encouragement.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, so talented.
I've been selectively trying to feed the bluebills because they seem dumb. They don't see the bird seed coming. Watch this guy.
Completely walks over it.
Hey, it's right there. Hey, 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 you. Watch it drop. Watch it drop. Yo, bro, it's right there. Oh my gosh, so frustrating. Oh, finally, you bozo. We're surrounded.
Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Oh, I pet! Oh, I pet! Oh, I pet! Oh, so distracted. Oh! 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 I did it! I pet multiple ducks.
Yay!
Yeah. Pet a duck. Ooh, petting a duck! How's it feel?
Is this so soft?
They got some spring to their step. Got some good suspension over
You're
here.
gonna make it choke.
One time we were feeding the chickadees and then like a pigeon tried landing on our hand. That was so scary. The duck exodus. The dexodus. Woo! Oh wow, it made a mess. You got good balance, bud. give it to you there. This is a very nice guy.
Ooh, nice. This is their warming hut. Oh, it's so toasty in here.
Now we're gonna smell like fire.
Yeah.
While I was waiting here for Sam to finish up in the washroom, I was staring at the ducks, and the blue-billed ones, they make like a whistling noise, like the cheap ones from Dollarama or something. It just sounds really funny.
While you were in the bathroom, I saw a duck grab another duck's neck and like pull it. They were like fighting, and then the other one got free and like ran away.
All in all, this was a very cool experience. The total cost of this came out to $11, and we spent like over 2 hours here. And surprisingly, it's very peaceful and fun watching birds fight and just eat and just playing with birds. And at the end of it, I was able to pet one bird. So
that one was so nice. It just let us keep petting it.
yeah, it was like also very good at balancing, just sitting on the fence. I highly recommend this. I think around in the fall and springtime when the birds are migrating, this place is going to be really busy with birds. So that's definitely a good time to go if you can catch on in good weather. But we're gonna go grab some lunch somewhere in Richmond maybe.
Oh, my darling, sweet. What brings you close to me? Look how the evening pours in so fast when you're alone with me.
Actually, before lunch, we're stopping in Ladner because we've never been, and there's this really cute little, actually I don't know if it's cute, but a really well-known donut shop around here.
It was introduced to us by our landlords. It's called Boca Grande, and the first time we had it, oh my gosh, mind blown. It was so good.
Gonna drive down the long road, stop at every town, try and find the piece of me inside the ones who I have found. Well, I wanna see it all and take the world for all it's got, and then come and pick you up and take you home. Thank the Lord for all you got.
Pretty sure we didn't order that small one
She gave us a bonus.
because we
There's
paid so much money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a Boca Grande, their traditional one.
Nice.
Boca Loca, I think it's called.
Boca Poco.
Boca Loco?
Poco.
Boca Poco? Anyway, so we got so many different flavors. It was half dozen assorted.
25 bucks.
Yeah, kind of pricey, but it's okay. This one here is cranberry something. This one's hot chocolate, maple bacon, mango tango, apple fritter, and something eggnog. Yeah, it smells so good. Okay, you pick one.
All right, let's start with the mango. See how it goes.
Good.
It's very soft. Very fluffy.
Lots of mango flavor.
It'd be even cooler if they had like mango chunks on it. But still pretty good. All right, next.
Oh,
Yeah, we're just gonna try, take a bite out of every
that's
single
how
one.
we're gonna do it?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Cranberry. Just if we had anyone over, they open this box of donuts and see that 2 bites were taken out of every donut. That'd be funny. Let's try the original. We can probably finish that one. It's so like small and cute. They're like Tim Horton Timbits or something.
Cinnamon sugar is Riley's absolute favorite.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate.
Wow, they really toasted the top to perfection.
Wow. That's special. It has a filling. This one has a filling. I didn't get a filling.
It's not overly sweet. Yeah, I think it's worth the price. If you get the half dozen, maybe it's all right. All right, maple bacon.
Controversial donut.
Yeah, I'm okay with it. Nothing too super exciting. Apple fritter is just like this giant square chunk of toast. This is my favorite.
I got a chunk of apple. You bit around the apple chunk. It's right there. There you go. That's a good one.
Yeah, we ate like half of it. All right, last donut,
one.
which is the scariest. I'm thinking.
Eggnog.
We never had straight eggnog, so hopefully it's all right. It looks very innocent of a donut.
I don't even know what eggnog tastes like.
How do you feel?
I didn't get much filling.
It's not offensive.
It's not offensive, but I like the other ones better.
Yeah. It was cool to try because it's probably a seasonal donut.
Overall, these donuts are 10,000 out of 10.
What the heck?
My favorite one's hot chocolate. What's yours?
Apple fritter, bro.
Mmm.
Yeah, apple fritter or the hot chocolate one.
I like the hot chocolate because the filling tastes exactly like hot chocolate.
Yeah, they didn't miss there.
Yeah. Now that we finished dessert, it's time for lunch.
I don't have a napkin, so I just kind of gotta leave it here. Oh, I got a little bit. Good thing our car's right here. Sketchy people on the side of a road eating donuts.
We drove out to Richmond and we were really craving some Korean soup because it was chilly outside, and we went to this restaurant called Hanok Restaurant.
For sides, we have broccoli, potato, kimchi, pickled radish, and those choy.
Bean sprouts?
Bean sprouts, yes. I only know in Chinese. Typically, broccoli is not something that they give, or this yellow pickled radish. They have like the white ones. So this is like a step up. And these are always included when you go out for Korean food. It's just side dishes, and I believe they're normally unlimited. So it's always like really good.
So I got the pork bone soup, and it's really good because it came with 3 big pieces of pork bone, and it was only $13, I think. And Riley got the spicy seafood stew.
Woo! Wow, so full.
The portions were they were so big.
So generous. I feel like also because we had 2 bites of each donut, that kind of filled us up beforehand.
Yeah.
But this place is definitely highly recommended. We were across the street over there once, and we were having Korean fried chicken, and that was like sub-average, not great. But we saw it on the menu here, and we were reluctant to get it. But I think like maybe next time we should definitely come back and try that out, because we saw some other people who got it and it looked pretty intense. The staff is so cute. I think they close for the afternoon for a little bit, and they sit at the table at the back and they have like a meal together. So cute. And it was like legit, it's like soup, rice, noodles, whatever.
Yeah, the chef came out with a huge bowl this big full of soup for them to share.
Anyways, that ends our day trip in BC somewhere.
We went somewhere new that we never went before.
Yeah, no, it was a lot of fun. And highly recommend if you're in the area in fall and it's raining, but like not raining, go check out this bird watching place. Highly recommend it. And this Korean restaurant, super good. Thanks for chilling with us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.